Hello lovely ladies, welcome to Mugdad Studios. Andarki Namaskaram. So this is actress Preeti Singh Rajput here, and I have brought you a very beautiful collection of Kanchipattu. So we have got Zari by Zari, pure Kanchipattu collections Ani to showcase you for now. So you can see me, I have draped a lovely Kanchipattu sari. It's a beautiful sky blue color sari with red color contrast border, and it's a 3G sarees, so Zari by sarees chupistunanu. So before I start, let's have a look on the mannequins now. So here's a beautiful orange color pure Kanchipattu sari with blue color border. So we have this grand work on mata. Chala beautiful silver zari work lo cross checks lopala floral fillings icharu. Lovely borders, blue color borders, big border, big khandi border to you have got this peacock booties and mata. Very beautiful color combinations. Here goes a lovely sky blue color sari again. So body of the sari details చూస్తే మీకు cross checks వచ్చాయి, లోపల fillings, pink color contrast border. So it's a pure Kanchipattu zari by zari 3G sarees. So here goes the next sari in pink color, beautiful baby pink color sari లో మీకు dark navy blue color border వచ్చాయి. So you have cross lines and floral creepers on the border. Peacocks కూడా వచ్చాయండి. And before I start showing you the sarees, let me show you the contact information. So these are the contact numbers here. So మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ నెంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి, అండ్ మా సేల్స్ టీమ్ మీకు అసిస్ట్ చేస్తారండి ఫర్ ప్రాసెసింగ్ యువర్ ఆర్డర్స్. So and one more information, we are also shipping globally apart from shipping all over India. So let me start showing you the sarees now. So this is a lovely green color saree. So beautiful saree this is. Pink color contrast border though. We have got floral creepers and matter body of the saree. Such a beautiful shine on the saree. It's a pure Kanchipattu saree andi. This is zari by zari. So 3G sarees and ivani. So body of the saree lo meeku chuste you have got this golden zari and silver zari. Borders lo golden zari, cross lines. So it's antique golden mata, cross lines and floral booties. This is the look of the pallu. And borders are like this. Big border though. Beautiful blouse. And the price of this saree. Yeah, let me show you the next saree now. It's a beautiful 3G pure Kanchipattu collection andi. So do not miss out. Meeku nachina saree screenshot తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి, మా సేల్స్ టీమ్ మీకు ఫర్దర్ గా అసిస్ట్ చేస్తారు. So here goes a lovely pink color saree. It's a double shade anamata. Looks like gold and a beautiful pink andi this is. So this beautiful border, cross checks, local fillings. This side we have got a big border, cross checks. So medium size cross checks and small size cross checks and matter. You can even take a single pallu, you can pleat it. Look at this border, it's such a soft material, pure Kanchipattu collection and this is the pallu of the saree. And the blouse of chesi, this is the blouse of the saree. So next saree chusidam. Next saree is a beautiful color combination again. You will love it. Yes, it's a green saree with red border. Such a beautiful combination. So body details చూస్తే cross checks ఇచ్చారు, లోపల fillings ఇచ్చారు, borders చూస్తే cross checks, pure golden zari work, pure resham work and this saree has got. This is the pallu and lovely contrast blouse and mata. So this is the blouse. So next saree chusedam. So we have got this lovely collection andi, and I know it's all of our favorite Kanchipattu, and we look really gorgeous and traditional with those golden jewelries. So here goes the next saree in blue color. Look look at this beautiful design వచ్చాయి. You can see it looks like a beautiful floral design and leaves and mata రేషం work and pure golden zari work తో ఇచ్చారు. And with this combination we have got red color border, lovely cross line designs, golden zari work తో antique gold. This is the pallu, చాలా grand వచ్చాయి pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి మీకు contrast blouse. Next saree. So this is a very beautiful saree and this is pink color. So ikkada we have got this lovely resham work and pure golden zari work. We have this jal motifs and body details. Choose you have this lovely jal design, local fillings, lovely rose fillings ochayandi. Beautiful 3 roses are there, and borders are in pink, light lavender. Actually we have got cross lines and floral booties with golden zari. And coming to the pallu, such a grand lovely pallu. Let me show you properly. And blouse వచ్చేసి contrast lighter shade of lavender color లో ఇచ్చారు with big border, shining like gold, so it's a double shaded blouse. Next saree. So let me show you the contact details. So these are the contact numbers. మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని వాట్సాప్ నంబర్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి, and we will assist you further for processing your orders. Here goes a very beautiful color, చాలా light sober color లో వచ్చాయి. This is a kind of onion pink color andi, and it's a double shaded saree. It's also shining like orange, and it's a pure kanchipattu saree, 3G zari by zari. So we have got pure golden zari work all over the body of this saree. Borders are like small borders on both the sides with navy blue color borders. So it's like highlighting the saree beautifully. Chala grand pallu icharu. This is the pallu. And coming to the blouse వచ్చేసి, this is the blouse. So let me show you the next saree now. So chala beautiful colors lo vachayandi sarees, you can see. So this is a lovely soap color. So borders and saree both is lovely colors and mata. So lighter shade of green and lighter shade of peach color saree and mata. Such a lovely floral booties icharu, and beautiful border. You have diamonds and beautiful peacocks and mango motifs and mata. And this is the look of the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి we have this blouse. So next saree, it's a beautiful peach color saree again with lavender border. So floral jal వచ్చేయండి. So we have this pure silver zari work all over the body of the saree and all the borders as well. It's a beautiful cute floral design icharu. Borders have got this cross lines and peacocks and rudraksha booties. And pallu వచ్చేసి, this is the pallu. And blouse has got this beautiful lavender color blouse. So next saree చూసిద్దాం. Here goes a beautiful green and pink saree. So we have got this beautiful floral booties and all over the body of the saree. This is a 3G saree. So zari by zari. Borders so we have this pure silver zari work. Borders so we have this golden zari work. It's rose gold and we can see cross lines and peacocks and floral booties. Coming to the pallu, this is the look of the pallu. And blouse వచ్చేసి మీకు brocade blouse ఇచ్చారు. This is the look of the blouse. Very beautiful collection, and we have got beautiful sober colors as well. So let me show you the contact details. So these are the contact informations for you to send us the screenshots of your favorite sari and we will assist you further. Here goes the next sari. It's a beautiful silver sari with red color contrast border. Look at this beautiful details of the body of the sari here. So golden zari work to chesaru. Borders have got cross lines on both the sides. So 3G saris, these are all. This is the pallu. We've got grand pallu. This is the blouse. This is a beautiful bridal and wedding collection and these, so do not miss out. Meeku nachina saree screenshot teeskoni WhatsApp cheseyandi for placing the order. Here goes the next saree in beautiful sea green color. Jal motifs vachai, pink color contrast border. Such a beautiful design if you see the body details. Borders look cross lines with pink color borders. This side we have got lovely peacocks and mango design. Silver zari work and it's pure silver zari. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. This is a beautiful contrast blouse. Next sari chusidam. It's a beautiful sari. Wow, it's a lovely golden sari with pink border. Beautiful sari andi. We can just style it with golden jewelry. And we have got small booties. So this is zari by zari. We have got this medium sized borders on both the sides with floral booties. So antique gold, pure antique gold zari. This is the pallu. Blouse vachesi contrast. Next sari, chala beautiful blue color lo vacheyandi. Sky blue color sari, lighter shade of sky blue color sari, lighter shade of green border. Such a lovely combination. Floral jal. Body of the sari has floral jal. Borders have got cross lines. Silver zari work, pure silver zari, zari by zari sari. This big is the border. You can take a single pallu. Pleat kuda cheyochu. It's a very soft, comfortable material. This is the pallu. And this is the blouse. Next saree chusedam. So we have got a lovely lighter shade of sober colors anamata. So idu vachesi baby pink color saree lo meeku lighter shade of green color border. Such a beautiful combination. Floral jal, body of the saree. Complete saree lo meeku silver zari vachayandi, pure silver zari. Cross lines this side. This side we have cross lines, peacocks and floral booties. This is the look of the pallu and this is the look of the blouse. Next saree chusedam. So let me show you the contact information once again. So మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన సారీ స్క్రీన్షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ వాట్సాప్కి పంపించేసేయండి and our sales team will be there to assist you happily. This is a lovely silver sari, zari by zari. So we have this beautiful silver zari all over the body of the sari and you can see a lovely peacocks and mata. బ్యూటిఫుల్ స్మాల్ స్మాల్ పీకాక్స్ అండ్ బర్డ్ మోటివ్స్ వచ్చాయండి. బ్యూటిఫుల్ ఫ్లోరల్ మోటివ్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి. లవ్లీ డిజైన్. Borders are like you have zigzags and cross lines. Here you have medium sized border, you have yellow color, green color and blue color border. So here zigzags vachai, floral. Again we have peacocks and zigzags and florals. Pallu is like this, beautiful brocade pallu. Blouses contrast, this is a blouse. Next saree chusedam. So another saree, beautiful bird motifs, parrot and florals. Golden saree lo we have this lovely birds and floral motifs and pure resham and golden zari work lo chesaru. Beautiful parrots and floral design. Turning border. So it's a blue color border, sky blue color border lo meeku golden zari work vachayandi, antique gold. You have cross lines and checks lopala fillings, florals and peacocks. This is a pallu and lovely blouse. Wow, this is a beautiful blouse, brocade blouse. Next saree. Wow, this is a lovely yellow color saree andi. So we have yellow saree with red color contrast border. Cross checks vachai. Beautiful cross checks, pure golden zari. So zari by zari. 3G sarees this and all. Red color border on this side. This big is the border. Very big border. Cross lines, zigzags. Floral booties, pure golden zari work. This is the pallu of the saree. And coming to the blouse, this is the brocade blouse. So that was a beautiful saree, Andy. So let's have a look on the next one. This is a beautiful golden saree. With red color contrast border. Pure golden zari work. Body of the saree lo you have got this antique gold. Cross checks design vachayandi. Lopala fillings icharu. Lopala mango fillings vachai. Borders are like small borders on both the sides with cross lines and peacocks with pure golden zari work. And here goes the pallu. And the blouse of the saree vachesi, this is the blouse of the saree. Next saree chusidam. So next saree has come up in a very beautiful shade of green with red contrast border. Floral jal vachai. 3G saree, pure kanchipattu saree, zari by zari saree. So pure golden zari work to chesaru. Borders are red color borders, lovely cross checks, cross lines and temple motifs kuda vachayandi. It's a very soft pure kanchipattu collection. This is the pallu and brocade blouse. This is the blouse. Next saree chusidam. So next saree is really a very pretty pink color saree. Let me show you. Pink color saree lo meeku blue color contrast border icharu. You can see very big border. Beautiful jal, body details Tuesday, jal, local floral fillings, pure golden and silver zari. Both the zaris have been used. So we have this ink blue color border, golden zari border, cross lines, checks, beautiful elephants, animal motifs, pure golden zari work though. This is the pallu, and this is the blouse. Next saree. So let me show you the contact information. సో మీరు చేయాల్సిన పని ఏంటంటే మీకు నచ్చిన శారీ స్క్రీన్ షాట్ తీసుకొని ఈ నెంబర్స్కి వాట్సాప్ చేసేయండి అండ్ వీ విల్ అసిస్ట్ యూ ఫర్దర్. జీపే నెంబర్స్ మెన్షన్ చేసి ఉంది సో దట్ యూ కెన్ మేక్ ద పేమెంట్ ఆన్లైన్. హియర్ గోస్ అ లవ్లీ పింక్ కలర్ సారీ అగైన్ విత్ గ్రీన్ కలర్ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బార్డర్. సో బాటిల్ గ్రీన్ బార్డర్లో పింక్ కలర్ సారీ and lovely peacocks and rudraksha booties andi. Just look at the details, the details. Lovely big borders both the sides, elephant booties, cross checks, peacocks. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. And next saree is a lovely color. Just wait for it. Wow, it's a beautiful saree. It's actually silver saree and with copper zari on it. So body details Tuesday, you have this lovely copper zari with floral booties. And grey color contrast border. Very beautiful color, floral jal. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. Such a beautiful blouse, brocade blouse. Next saree. This is a kind of golden saree and on that we have this beautiful floral booties, zari by zari. Borders వచ్చేసి మీకు small borders వచ్చాయి. This is a maroon color border, rose gold borders, rose gold zari, and you have cross lines and mango booties. This is the pallu and this is the blouse. It's a very beautiful saree. So next saree chuseda. This is in green and red combination. So we have got this lovely lotus flowers, lotus motifs all over the body. Green color saree lo meeku red borders వచ్చాయి. Zigzags on the border with golden zari work. Body of the saree lo I can see golden and silver zari, so pure golden zari. And this is the border. We have got lovely jal, zigzags, cross lines, beautiful peacocks and floral booties. So it's a very soft border. You can see, you can even pleat it. And this is the pallu. This is the blouse. Next saree. So this is a lovely color again. So it's kind of onion pink and golden shine out undi. It's a double shaded saree. And we have got this beautiful rose motifs and beautiful rose booties. Pure golden zari work though. Zari by zari, 3G sarees. Look at this big border, such a lovely border. You have cross checks, cross lines, sleeves. This is the pallu. Blouse వచ్చేసి మీకు brocade blouse ఇచ్చారు. So this is the look of the blouse. Very beautiful. So next saree చూసేద్దాం. So before that, once again, let me show you the contact information. So these are the contact numbers. So whichever saree you're liking it, just take a screenshot of that saree and send it to us on these numbers. And our sales team will be there to assist you happily. Here goes the next saree. It's a lovely peach color sari. We have got beautiful shine. Zari by zari, golden zari. Look at this lovely design. Look at this details. Borders have got this khadi border. This big is the border this side. Very big border. Pallu. Grand pallu. Blouse vachesi contrast green color blouse. So let me show you the next saree now. Once again, green color lo vachai, golden and green, both the double shaded saree this is. And yellow color contrast border. And body details Tuesday, we have beautiful floral booties. We have this lovely cross checks on the borders. The pure Kanchipattu collection, Malli cheptunanu. This is a 3G saree. It's a pure Kanchipattu saree with lovely color combinations. So we have got this cross checks and floral booties this side. This is the pallu. Beautiful grand pallu. It's a lovely wedding collection only. So miss cheyakunda, take a screenshot and send it to us for orders. This is the blouse. So let me show you the next saree now. This is in sky blue color. And body of the saree, just say you have this cross checks, local mango fillings, and this saree has got a copper zari, pure copper zari as well, along with silver zari. Cross lines on the border. Pure silver zari work. This is the pallu. And beautiful brocade blouse. Let me show you the blouse. So we have got the next saree in a beautiful color. Let me show you the saree. This is a lovely peach color saree andi. Floral jal vachayannamata. Silver zari work to zari by zari. Borders, beautiful medium sized borders on both the sides, same borders. We have got this lovely cross lines and peacocks and zigzags. Pallu is like this. And the blouse is like this. Brocade blouse. So this was the last saree from our pure Kanchipattu collection. So all you have to do is just take a screenshot of your favorite saree and send it to us. So once again let me show you the contact information. So these are the contact numbers for orders, and the below mentioned are the Google Pay numbers for you to make the payment online, since it's an online order. And we are also shipping internationally and shipping all over India. So that's all for now from beautiful Kanchipattu collection. Malli ostanu with another collection. So please do take care of yourself till then. Stay safe. Bye bye.